One day, I would hear my mom's voice. I'm like, Ma? No response. And I see that she's not home. So I go to Bruno and he says something. I'm like, what the? You sound just like my mom.
Man, no, I thought you were working. Oh, bro, it's you, fam.
Bruno sounds exactly like a Hispanic mom.
Don't tell Bruno.
He messes with me.
Look at me. No voy a trabajar. And don't ask, please.
If I'm not already up by like 7:30 in the morning, he's already by the door trying to open it.
Bro, I'm trying to go to sleep.
He's very sassy, just like my mom.
Where do you think you going? Hey, Bruno.
But for the first 10 years he lived with me, he didn't like me. But my mom has always wanted a parrot. It was Mother's Day, and we had went to the flea market, and we had seen this baby parrot.
Thank you.
My dad acted like he didn't pay much attention, but he ended up going back to the flea market and then brought him Bruno. So it was a Mother's Day present.
What?
And ever since then, he's been part of the family. He was a baby, I think 2 or 3 weeks old.
¿Qué dices?
My mom was hand feeding him.
Thank you. Muchas gracias.
My mom was able to build that trust with him, and he ended up being my mom's favorite person.
You gonna share some?
He would just always be with my mom.
Ma.
If she's cutting fruits or vegetables, he's right next to her. If she's on the phone, he's there just listening to her, listening to her conversations.
Stay over there.
He ended up just picking a lot of like personality traits from her.
Jhonatan. ¿Qué tal, Bruno?
But he didn't like my brother, my dad, or myself.
Bro, come on. Bro, come on.
He is pretty bossy. He knows what he wants and what he likes. He would want to go to my room and I tell him no, stop, and then he would just start biting my door, obviously damaging it.
Really. But you get the memo. Oh. No, what do you? No. El cuarto no.
Parrots are really smart. He can open door on his own. I think that's pretty cool.
¿Qué? ¿Qué pasó?
And if he can't go in, he's gonna use his beak to try to get in, and he's not gonna stop until I open the door.
What's up?
Parrots like to pick their favorite person, and for Bruno, it was my mom. So he's not very social when it comes to other people.
Go, Bruno.
So if other people come around, he is very protective of my mom. He keeps his awareness up high. Sometimes he can be nice, but he was really aggressive towards me. Never wanted to be around me.
Look how crazy he gets every time I'm around.
He would always attack me. He would always try to bite me. I was pretty frustrated with him his first 10 years of life.
Damn, boy, look. Sheesh.
Until I was home more often than my mom.
Look, this is why.
And he was probably feeling lonely.
You gotta speak clear.
I noticed that he kept talking like while I was around, and then he started getting near me. It got to a point where he started getting on me.
Bruh, that hurt.
He wouldn't bite me or he wouldn't get aggressive when he was near me.
¿Qué?
And I thought it was pretty weird. I guess it was on my birthday and he would like only want to be with me.
Why? ¿Por qué andas temblando?
And I would give him neck rubs. And that's when I realized, hey, I think he's starting to like me more than you.
No te enojes.
He's always asking me if I'm gonna go shower. It's 4 o'clock, you should go to work.
¿Qué pasó? Ajá. No, para el closet no.
And it's pretty funny having him around.
What you staring at?
My mom was a little bit jealous, but at the same time, she understands. But then I decided to move to Los Angeles. I was here by myself. I was kind of lonely. Didn't really have anybody to talk to. And I was missing Bruno. I needed him. So once I got more adjusted and more comfortable, I was like, okay, it's time to bring Bruno. And when I brought him here, it just felt right. So now as soon as I come home, he gets very talkative.
Okay.
I have stressful days at work. And I'll come home and his first thing is like, did you go to work?
Yeah. Yeah, con eso.
Let's go somewhere, or are you gonna go shower? And then when I go shower, he flies towards me because he knows I'm gonna go shower because he likes being in the restroom while I shower. After the shower, I put him back on my shoulder. We're watching TV together.
¿Qué, hombre? Yeah.
Now, I'm his favorite person. His love language is quality time. He cares about me a lot, and he laughs when I laugh.
Oh, my bad. My bad.
He's like a guardian. When he's on me, he's always looking around, just making sure that my surroundings are safe.
Oh, never mind with you.
He has a very caring personality, but can be very sassy and aggressive.
¿Y si me muero qué? ¿Cómo lo vas a hacer?
Like 1 second, he's all up on me, he's on my shoulder or on my chest, just wanting to be near me. And then next second, he bites my ear and then goes away.
Facing back.
He's throwing wings and beaks.
Don't worry.
He always wants me to give him neck rubs. He's for sure my little brother. I've always wanted one. That's the way I see him, and I'll always see him as that. I'm basically taking care of him.
Look at him sizing it up.
At this point in life, we do have that bond that I've always wanted.
I could be dead right now, bro.
Look how close this man gets.
And I'm really glad I have Bruno.